Sometimes I think about America, about her struggles through the years. I think of people who did what they had to do with the strength to act through their fears. Sometimes I think about America, about her pain along the way. I wonder if they knew that what they had to do with the strength throughout history. For the heroes, for the patriots, for the soldiers, for all the pioneers, I will always be an American, and I'll always cry American tears. Sometimes I think about America, about her people's legacy. I wonder if they knew that what they had to do would be known throughout history. For the heroes, for the patriots, for the soldiers, for all the pioneers, I will always be an American, and I'll always cry American tears. I'll always cry for the heroes, for the patriots, the soldiers, the pioneers. I'll always be American, and I'll always cry. I will cry. I'll always be an American, and I'll always cry American tears. I will cry American tears. For all of our fellow Americans who are going through hard times from the devastations of Hurricane Sandy, hang in there, stand strong, you will overcome, and you are in our prayers.